So why does high intensity exercise hurt, but low intensity exercise doesn't? The reason for this is the accumulation of acidic molecules inside of the muscle cell that are produced when you're metabolizing energy, turning it into ATP. Some of the byproducts of turning glucose and fatty acids into fuel are acidic. And if the blood flowing through the muscle cell can't remove them quickly enough, then they begin to build up inside of the cell. And during high intensity training, we're simply producing so much energy so quickly that the blood flow can't keep up with the production of these acidic molecules. And this is also why you don't get a burning sensation from low intensity exercise, because the blood flow is quick enough to remove these acidic molecules in a timely fashion. And interestingly, not only do these acidic molecules kind of burn, but they also reduce your ability to create energy. So there are certain enzymes inside of the cell that are responsible for actually producing ATP that shut off when the pH of the cell gets too low. And what we know about acidic molecules is they will lower the pH of the cell, turning off these enzymes, meaning that we won't produce as much ATP. And now you may be wondering why you don't get this burning sensation during a 10-meter sprint when you're producing a lot of energy at once. And this is simply because it's not long enough in duration for these acidic molecules to begin to build up. By the time we have to start worrying about the accumulation of these molecules, we stop the exercise and have enough time to recover and flush them out. And this is why it's so important to get better at moving blood throughout your entire body. And the best way to do this is actually cardiovascular training, moving as many limbs as possible. So if you want to get better at pushing blood into your biceps, something like cycling may not be your best bet for cardio, because your arms are going to be in a static position the entire time. And because your arms aren't actually doing anything, you'll decrease the amount of blood flow to your arms so you can save more blood flow for your legs. So things like swimming and the elliptical are fantastic ways to get more blood flow throughout your entire body.